Eyes. Introduction. People and animals see with their eyes. You have 2 eyes. Some animals have many eyes. Eyes can be little or big, and they can be many colors. What animals have these eyes? What color are your eyes? Now, read and discover more about eyes. Animal eyes. What do animals do with their eyes? They look for food. The duck looks for food in water. The gecko has big eyes. It can see well at night. It looks for insects to eat. Eyes help to protect animals from other animals. The crab has 2 eyes on top of its body. It can see big animals, and then it can run away. Parts of an eye. Let's look at an eye. It has many parts. This is an elephant's eye. The eyelid and the eyelashes protect the eyeball. There are tears in the eye, too. The eyelid opens and closes, and the tears clean the eye. The pupil lets light into the eye. This helps people and animals to see. When there's lots of light, the pupil is little. When there's no light, the pupil is big. People have tears to clean their eyes. People cry tears when they are sad, too. Eyes at the front. People and many animals have 2 eyes at the front of their head. This helps them to see things far away. The hawk can fly fast, and it can see very well, too. This helps it to hunt little animals to eat. The monkey has eyes at the front of its head. It can jump from tree to tree, and it doesn't fall. Owls have eyes at the front of their head. Some owls can move their head around and see behind. Eyes at the sides. Many animals have eyes at the sides of their head. They can see in front and behind. The frog has eyes at the sides of its head. It can look for insects to eat. The hammerhead shark has a long, flat head. It has eyes at the sides of its head. When it swims, it can see all around. The stalk-eyed fly can see all around, too. It has eyes on 2 long stalks. The chameleon sees all around very well. One eye moves up, and the other eye moves down. In water. The seal lives on land and in water. It has big, round eyes. It can see very well in water. It hunts fish to eat. The flatfish has 2 eyes on one side of its body. It can lie at the bottom of the ocean and look up. Fish live in water, and they don't have eyelids. They don't close their eyes. in the dark. At night, some animals sleep. Many other animals look for food. The lemur looks for fruit and little animals to eat. It has big eyes with big pupils. It can see very well in the dark. It's very dark at the bottom of the ocean. The flashlight fish has lights under its eyes. This helps it to look for little fish to eat. In the dark, cats and dogs have bright eyes. They can see very well. Look at this cat. What color are its eyes? Many eyes. Some animals have many eyes. Many spiders have 6 or 8 eyes. The scallop can have more than 50 little eyes. How many of the eyes can you see here? Some insects have very many eyes. Look at this dragonfly. Each eye is thousands of little eyes together. Protect your eyes. It's important for animals to protect their eyes. In the desert, there's a lot of sand. The camel has long eyelashes, so the sand doesn't go in its eyes. The meerkat lives in the desert too. It's sunny and windy there. Its eyelids clean the sand from its eyes. The meerkat has black fur around its eyes. This protects its eyes when it's sunny. People wear sunglasses when it's very sunny. This protects their eyes. Eyes are important. Remember to protect them.